Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this KPI card right here. And not only that, I'm hopefully going to do it pretty quickly. So if you like quick, to the point videos about how to do cool things in Power BI, please consider subscribing. All right, that's enough talking. All right, let's jump into Power BI. You're actually going to need two visuals. The first visual is going to be a stacked bar graph right here. And then the second visual is going to be a card visual. The card visual is going to take a revenue measure. So that's what I am showing right here. It's going to require a revenue target measure. And then it's going to require a essentially a revenue better or worse measure where you calculate out your percent achieved. The features that I'm using here in the card measure, if we click into it and we go into the formatting, is we're using a reference label, and then within that reference label, we're using a detail section for revenue. So if I go over to revenue, you'll see in here, we're using our revenue detail. We're currently moving that card visual away using white space. And if we go into here, you can actually see that I'm creating white space with unichar characters in here. And I'm pushing this measure away from this revenue target value. In order to format the bar chart so it looks like a progress bar, I just brought in my revenue, and then I brought in a bar, which is my revenue versus target. So if revenue greater than target, return 0. If not, revenue target minus revenue. I then essentially set one of the values to pull in as white, and then the other value to pull in as black, and turned on a border. Then I turned off any kind of legend, axes, anything like that. And there we go. We have a progress bar. And just like that, here we are. We have a beautiful KPI card. So I'll link the file in my GitHub down in the video description. And if you enjoyed this video, again, please consider subscribing. And if you're interested in learning more about me, feel free to check out my LinkedIn, which will also be linked down below. Thanks for watching.